In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a watermark from a PDF file. I'm going to start off by saying that make sure that what you're doing is legal and that someone allowed you to remove the watermark from their file. So if you're sure that you're allowed to do this, open up your Google Drive, and if you haven't already, upload the PDF file to the drive. Then right-click on the file, go to Open With, and click on Google Docs. Once the file has opened, left-click on the watermark and delete the watermark. If the text and pictures are cluttered, for example, my text when I created this file was in the middle, just put your cursor on the left side of the text, left-click it, and just press enter a couple of times till your text moves where it was supposed to be. So mine was in the middle, and that's it. Your text should be uncluttered and as it was before. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.